everything. I have $1,000 in it.
Less than $1,000 for everything. That's pretty good,
For the
man.
whole setup.
Nice.
Pioneer, doubled in, all that. Tried anything. I literally just dropped it in. That's how it landed, and so I hooked it up. It weighs like 100 pounds. It likes low.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
All wood floor.
All right. Nice. So this is a prefab. Is this like the Skar Prefab?
Yeah, I bought it literally the day before the show. I bought it Friday night. It's a ZVX 15 dual tube, 1 ohm. They're wired down to 1.
Okay.
DS18 3K.
Okay.
Behind this passenger seat, I got a Precision Power Arc Series A400 that runs my doors.
Oh, that's an old school.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Sure is. I have the matching pair.
Nice.
I got the Lowe's amp at the house.
Okay. And you got a battery underneath?
Yeah, that's the only battery in the car. I deleted the front battery.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's still stock geometry alternator.
Yeah.
50 amps. It produces exactly like 11 volts.
Is it louder with the sub facing up or back? Have you tried both just to see?
I haven't tried anything. I literally just dropped it in. That's how it landed, and so I hooked it up.
All right.
That thing weighs like 100 pounds. So I was like, yeah, I'm done. After we wrestled it out of a Ford Focus. Kid had it jammed in the back seat to bring it to me.
Really? Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, because I had it delivered.
Yeah.
They're just JBLs in the doors. All of them were wired together. Each one driven off its own. Each door on its own.
On that old school amp, yeah.
And it likes low.
All right. And your name?
Mike.
Mike. All right. What vehicle is this?
99 Geo Metro.
Okay. Wow, that's pretty tall. I've never seen one that tall.
Yeah, that's because I could.
So what's your bandwidth like? I know you said you just got it, but what do you think it likes so far, you noticed, just frequency-wise?
The lows. I've had the 20s.
Really?
Pretty much.
Okay.
Mid to low 20s is what it seems to like.
Okay.
The doors don't like it as much, but that amp is a full range.
Yeah.
Precision powered.
And this is a full range DS18 too, or Class D? Yeah, Class D. Yeah.
Class D, yeah, it's a Lowe's only, I believe.
Yep, looks like it. It's all right,
3,000. From a Dante.
Yeah. It's crazy, a 3,000 watt amp the size of your hand now, where it used to be a lot bigger. Things have gotten.
Yeah.
All right.
And mind you, everybody else has upwards of 3,000-ish in their system.
Yeah.
Everything. I have $1,000 in it.
Less than $1,000 for everything. That's pretty good,
for the
man.
whole setup.
Nice.
Pioneer, doubled in, all that. The door handle does actually work.
Yeah. Wow.
Woo! I got voltage kind of. It's at 13-ish.
Yeah.
It's not very heavy. And this is literally just, I threw it in today. It's literally just plugged into the battery. It's not even connected yet.
I don't know why I thought that was an 18. I guess it is a 15 now that I look at the cone size.
Yes, 18.
Yeah.
And that was like off the rev limiter the whole time.
Yeah.
That was $5,000 the entire time on the tag. I was like, oh shit, it's losing it.
were down into the 11 volt range on that.
Yeah, that's a 50 amp alternator.
Wow.
And I just lost it entirely. No, it just came back.
Wait, what happened?
It came back on. The alternator went
That's
out.
getting hot, yeah.
I heard it.
Yeah, it went to 10 all of a sudden.
Wow. Dude, that's actually, you know, coming in here with a stock system and this little amp and that, it's actually pretty impressive to see how loud your